Summer is on the horizon in many parts of the world. So is a question laden with hope. Will the rise in temperatures mean a dip in COVID-19 cases? Does heat kill the coronavirus? According to some Chinese experts, there is reason to be optimistic. Researchers at the Beihang and Tsinghua University have found that high temperature and high humidity levels significantly reduce the transmission of the Wuhan virus. The study focused on 100 Chinese cities. The weather conditions across these parts varied, and so did the transmission intensity. It was found that as the weather grew warmer and more humid, the transmission rate fell. The report concluded that for every 1 degree Celsius rise in temperature, the rate of transmission of the virus fell by 0.0383 points. For every 1% increase in relative humidity, the transmission fell by 0.0224 points. While a rise in temperatures can slow down the spread, it will not completely stop the outbreak. Heat typically kills any type of virus. It may weaken the coronavirus outbreak, too. The virus is still being studied and can live on surfaces up to a few days. The initial days of the outbreak, countries with relatively lower temperature and lower humidity like Korea, Japan and Iran, saw severe outbreaks. This was much worse compared to warmer and more humid countries like Singapore, Malaysia and Thailand. Another study conducted at the Institute of Human Virology at the University of Maryland School of Medicine took a different approach. Researchers mapped the outbreak in different regions. They found that the most severe outbreaks were in countries where temperature ranged between 5 and 11 degrees Celsius. The virus was found to be clustered in a narrow band of consistently similar weather conditions across the northern hemisphere. This zone included countries such as China, South Korea, Japan, Iran, Italy, France, and the U.S. Pacific Northwest. The study has also indicated that the coronavirus could be a seasonal respiratory virus. While the forthcoming summer could bring some respite, it won't completely stop the virus. That's the verdict from both studies. Doctors warn that the Wuhan virus could resurface in the autumn season. Hand hygiene and social distancing will remain the best ways to contain it. Bureau Report, WION. World is One.